Jews to eat Christmas-themed cakes or candies that are labeled kosher?
Okay, so let's have it. So technically, so there are a few like two answers. So technically, there is nothing wrong with that because it is kosher. It's sugar or whatever, some additions. But for people who see a Jewish person buying this Xmas candies, like in a store, let's say if they go in a store and it's maybe on sale, maybe so they would not look very good. Let's put it this way. So, but I mean, technically there is no problem if you're not going to eat it on that specific day, right? If you're going to eat it like it went on sale, 70% off, I don't know, 3 days later after the New Year's, so okay, there is no problem. But if in your mind, there is any issue, there is some association with this pagan holiday, so don't eat it. So, but if for you it's just a candy that the taste that you like, there is no problem. Because they do not serve this candy like to the idol, just some food that they eat.